Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see a small poem, The Kingdom of Bees, Grade 5, written by William Shakespeare. The Kingdom of Bees is a marvelous creation of the greatest English poet named William Shakespeare. Here, the poet gives a vivid description of the bees. Kingdom is a lyrical form through which we come to know that the life of insects is not that simple the way we think. If we notice their living standard, we can see that they have an organized life. They also have some rules and laws. They also have to maintain discipline in order to run their life. In this poem, the poet observed that in the bee's hive there are different classes of bees engaged in diverse works, such as magistrates bees who do the corrective work, merchant bees who collect honey, soldier bees protect the hives, and the king who observe the work every day, including mason bees who build the hives. Okay, the three main character here is the queen bee. Here the poem says that it's a king. Okay, so we know it's a queen bee. Yes, so queen bee, worker bee, and drone bee. So there are other working groups who do their job within due diligence. The lives of bees are organized in an order way. They naturally learn the art of order. Okay, naturally they are very good in their work. Though they are insects, they have the capability to teach the human the art of order. Okay, so I'm going to read the poem for you and listen it carefully. So work the honey bees, creatures that by a rule in nature's teach the art of order to a people kingdom. They have a king and officers of sorts. There are some like magistrates correct at home, others like merchants venture trade abroad, others like soldiers armed in their stings make boot upon the summer's velvet birds, which pillage they with merry march bring home to the tent royal of their emperor, who boasts in his majesty's service the singing masons building roofs of gold, the civil citizens kneading up the honey, the poor mechanics potters crowding in their heavy burdens at his narrow gate. This sad-eyed justice, with his slurry hum, delivering over to executor's pail the lazy, yawning drone. So, in this poem, you can see queen bee, worker bee, honey bee, and there are also some other bees like magistrates, masons, okay, and also soldiers. So, honey hive. Can you see this honey hive? Yes, next picture is honey bee. The bee is collecting nectar from the flower. So Shakespeare compares bees to people in a kingdom. Just like bees, people have different jobs. Some are workers, some protect, some are leaders, but they all help each other. When everyone does their job, the kingdom works perfectly. Okay, can you see this? Soldier bee. Yeah. The poem is talking about honeybees and how they work together like a busy and organized kingdom. Bees are smart and follow nature's rule. They have a leader called a king in the poem, but in real it's a queen. And different bees have different jobs. Some bees stay home and make sure everything is in order, like police or judges. Okay, some bees go far away to collect nectar, like shopkeepers or traders. Can you see this picture? Yeah, they run far away. They fly far away to collect the nectar from the flower. Some bees protect the hive with their strings, like the soldier bee. Yes, you can see the summer velvet here. It filled with the nectar. Okay. The bees collect nectar from flowers and bring it back happily. They are singing song as compared to the it's compared to the poem. They are singing song. They are very happy. The leader bees watches all the busy work around the hive. Some bees build the hive like builders using gold. Can you see this? The honey is compared to gold. Mm. So other bees make the honey. See here, the bees are kneading. Kneading means mixing. The nectar they take from the flower, no? They bring to the honeycomb. Yeah, and in their chambers, and they just mix it to make a honey. Some bees carry heavy things like workers or porters. Some bees look serious and are like judges. In the end, there's one bee that doesn't do much. It's the lazy one that is called drawn bee. It doesn't do anything, just eat and drink and sleep. Okay, so this poem shows how bees work hard together, just like people in a busy city, each with their own job. Yes. So in this poem, Shakespeare talks about how bees work together like people in a kingdom. The bees have a leader and different jobs. Some bees stay home and keep order, while some go out to find food. Some protect the hive, and others make honey or carry things. Even the bees that seems lazy has a place. Just like a kingdom needs everyone to work together, so does the beehive. This shows how teamwork, order, and different roles help a place run smoothly. So I hope you understand the poem. So what the bees do to the human beings, they teach the art of living. Everyone has their own job, and if we do our work properly, so we can run our family or our life smoothly. Thank you, students. See you in the next class.